Hello everyone! From the Quick and Easy series, today I want to show you how you can make a cute turtle keychain. And no, there will be no race between this one and the bunny keychain I previously made. To start, I prepared a long string of mixed colored strips and I rolled them into a tight coil. I think around 12 strips of paper, but you can vary the number while you go in order to get the size you want. I squeeze it a little into a marquise shape, but only a little just to give it a noticeable shape. Then I push the middle in the outside to get that 3D look, which will also resemble the shell of a small turtle. I applied some glue in the inside and let it dry so it can be firm and hold its form. Then I started making the feet, rolling some paper strips into loose coils. I applied the same technique for the head and tail. For giving them the appropriate shape, I squeeze them into curved teardrops. After finishing this step, I start gluing all the pieces together. the end, I glued a pair of eyes, and these are ready made at your local craft store, most of the time anyway. For turning this cute small turtle into a keychain, I attached a keychain ring, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, let me know down below in the comments what keychains you have attached to your keys, and if you would also add a tiny green turtle like this one. Now that I'm thinking about it, these keychains are a part of our daily lives, and sometimes we don't give them a second thought, even if they do say something about our personality. Anyway, what keychains do you have on your keys? Thanks for watching and take care!